Live ba sa buffet? Anyway, good afternoon. Start nag-record. So our topic this afternoon will be on dynamic range. Dynamic range. Now, before anything else, review lang tagamay sa atong previous na topic. We left here, no? PCM. So, yeah. So, ang last na process that we discussed was the conversion of a voltage level to a PCM code. So, for example, dire, I think almost all of us has understood this naman kay mo na itong last na kuan activity in part na siya sa exam, no? That if we have a voltage level, you could convert it to its PCM code, no? So in this case, let's say for example, ang atong output na PAM level, PAM, pulse amplitude modulated level, is 2.6. Okay, 2.6. So na siya dire. So na siya somewhere sa 2.5 to 3. So it will be converted to 111. Yan na. Notice also na this is a sign magnitude PCM code, meaning anticipated na ay positive o negative na numbers. Okay, so ang highest number here is 3, positive 3, which will be converted to 111. And ang negative 3, okay, is if kuaw na to ang streams of bits minus the MSB. Like for example, sa positive 3 is 1, 1. So kung positive siya, tungagan lang og 1 diya. Meaning ang negative 3 is 0. 1, 1. Dala, nasa silong. Negative 3, 0, 1, 1. So example lang ni siya, kaning 3 bits na code. Of course, we also have higher bit PCM code. So if 8-bit PCM code, ang ang MSB or ang first bit is always a sign bit. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if 0 again, positive. Kung 0 negative, kung 1 positive. Notice also nga ang 0 is not a plus ug minus. Okay? Plus 0 og positive 0 ug negative 0. Okay? And they are designated as negative 0.5 to positive 0.5. So isa lang iyahang kuan, no? Isa ra iyahang ang proper term ana niya is resolution, no? Or quantization interval. Daghang kay term, no? Daghang tag term for here. That one, no, is 1 volts, no? The magnitude of that which I'm talking about. Positive 1. Meaning ang difference sa each range is positive 1, no? So positive 3 volts, positive 3 na decimal value I mean is 1, no? Minus na nato ni 3.5 ug 2.5, so 1. Same gyapon sa 2.5 ug 1.5, so on so forth. So positive 1 volts ang iyahang, again man yung giningon nga daghang kaig term, we could call it as quantization interval or quantum or resolution or minimum step size So book me alone na mo ning mga terms ang ipanggamit for this single concept. I don't know why nagkakaisag terms na ipanggamit. Or voltage of the least significant bit. Voltage of LSB. So para na sa tanan, para ng 5 o ginapasabot. So dire in this example, the quantum is 1. Notice 1, ma-observe na gid siguro directly anong 1 siya. The difference between each range is 1 volt man. Ang sa 0, even though, notice also nga ang sa 0, even though positive 0 and negative 0 siya, but we know that there's no such thing. Effect lang na siya, or effect lang na siya because of the effect lang na siya because we intended na ang atong scheme is na positive and negative numbers. Okay? So even though we all know that there's only one zero, no, isa lang kaklase nga 0 and it's not positive nor negative. Pero dire, no, para mabutangan lang siya og place gyud. So there's a negative 0 and positive 0. But it doesn't matter because ang iyahang quantum or resolution is still 1 volt. No? Okay. Meaning ang resolution sa atong positive 3 na decimal value is 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt. Even ang 0, no? 1 volt na siya. Malapit ako kung
0 pero 1 volt.
Hindi, 1 volt ang resolution. Ang resolution
sir.
lang.
Kanyo, ko.
Ang difference sa kada range, no, 1 volt. Malapit ako kung kuan pa, kung bisayon pa nato mag respitar na lang. Na may positive 0, na may mga positive nga numbers, na po yung negative, no? Pero again, doesn't matter kay iyang resolution is 1 volt. No?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige. You're welcome, Neil. Okay? So, quantization error. No? Quantization error occurs if ang atong PAM level is false within ani nga mga range, not exactly the extreme values. Ang mga extreme values is mo ni sila. Ayun na. So if ang atong PAM level yan na is exactly let's say for example 1.5 volts. So i-convert na niya directly into 110. 1.5 volts is equal to positive 2 man na decimal value. So 110. So 0 quantization error. The same gyapon if 2.5 volts. But what if 2 volts? 2.0. So how will it be converted? So it's between here. So ang 2.0 is will still be converted to 110 for na quantization error. So ang quantization error lang is the difference between the PAM level o ang range, no? Ang range of values. Okay. So the maximum quantization error, of course, maximum quantization error will always be 1/2 of say tsada nga term ang gamiton dire resolution sige gamit ni kuan quantization error na siya gigamit nga isa ana either ana doesn't matter, no? 1/2 of the resolution na lang. Para naman gasan tulo. Para silang 5. Ano man, no? Anong 1/2 man? That's the maximum. That's the maximum quantization error that will occur. Because like because kato sa akong example, what if 2 volts ang atong PAM nga level, no, gikan sa sample and hold na circuit. The difference between either 2 volts to 1.5 o 2 volts to 2.5 is either ana ha, di ba matter kung sa iyang i-kuan is ayan lang ng 2, no? Sige, sugod ta sa 2. Pila yung difference? 0.5, di ba? So 2, whether it's 2 volts minus 1.5 or 2.5 volts minus 2, either way, it's 0.5. So, muna na maximum nga quantization error na mag-occur, no? 0.5 or 1/2 sa resolution. No? Kaya if, kuan siya, 2.6, 2.1, I mean, no? 2.1. But if 2.1, no? So, yung difference is 0.4. Okay? So, yung quantization error is 0.4. 0.4 volts. It's 2.5 minus 2.11. Okay, so that's what quantization error means. Okay, so with that, let's move to the next topic now. I just reviewed some terms that are common, no? Common to all topics. So dynamic range. What is dynamic range? Dynamic range is the ratio of the largest possible magnitude to the smallest possible magnitude other than 0 that can be decoded by the digital to analog converter in the receiver. So simply put, malagi na ang dynamic range, the ratio between the largest possible magnitude and the smallest possible magnitude. Dynamic range is denoted as dr. So Vmax over Vmin na gid ni. Yan na lang, no? Now, kinsay naka-browser diha, try to look up dynamic range sa YouTube unsa usually ang mugawas nga kuan topic. Sige daw, kinsay maka-YouTube sa inyo? Sulay lang.
So,
Camera,
camera, sir.
Ha? Camera?
Camera.
Yes.
Nga ba? Camera, di ba? So, dynamic range is also, actually, the same, no? The same concept. The same concept. Dahil lang ang application. Sa mga camera enthusiasts, what they mean when we say dynamic range, no? Or sa ilang pasabot ana, the same gyapon. Ang technical gyapon kon is ratio sa largest over smallest gyapon. Meaning, muna siya ang metric sa ilahang equipment perhaps sa ilahang camera sa unsay makaya o capture, no, sa ilahang device or sa ilang gadget, di bale. Okay. Consider the darkest to brightest, yan na. So if if there's one thing atong kuan, of course the higher the dynamic range the better. Okay. Muna ang atong kuan ani, no? The higher the dynamic range is better, no? So the same gyapon sa mga audio equipment, no? Kato kayo ano man to, camera. So meaning the type of energy there is light, no? Light energy kung camera. So kung audio or sound energy, the same gyapon, no? The ratio of the loudest possible volume or sound level nga ma-perceive sa equipment or sa sensor or sa device or whatever. The ratio of the largest possible audio level, sound level, over the smallest. No? So again, dynamic range, the higher the better. Okay. So for signal levels, generally speaking, it's just highest voltage over lowest voltage. Okay, Vmax over Vmin, other than 0, of course. Okay. Or we could also write it as Vmax. At nakuha dire nga ang Vmin here is the resolution, no? Is the resolution 1 volt. No? So we pwede kaya po natin write ang Vmax as Vmin over Vmax, I mean, dr is equal to Vmax over resolution. Resolution. And if we want this to be in dB, log lang yapon na to, no? 20 log dr. Or 20 log Vmax over Vmin. So the number of bits used for PCM code depends on the dynamic range. Okay? Lisod pod nga dako atong dynamic range pero gamay ang atong PCM. No? So directly proportional si PCM bits, number of PCM bits. Yan naman directly, no? Proportional. It's directly proportional to dynamic range. Ato lang imagine, we have a very high-end equipment. Gabi ka tsada. So, dako siya dynamic range. But, ang kaya lang niya ma-encode na number of bits is only 2 bits. So, dili, pwede na, lisod siya. Meaning, ang imo lang makuha nga, kung camera pa ni, makuha ni mo picture is pinakatsada, then, batit na din dito lugar. No? Di ako nga, imagine po if ingana, no? If dako ang dynamic range pero gamay ang PCM bits. Okay? So again, number of bits is directly proportional to dynamic range and it is described using this relationship. (2n minus 1) is equal to the actually, dapat ni kuan, no? Dapat ni greater than or equal to dr. Dapat mas dako ang PCM bits kaysa sa dynamic range. Hindi pwede mas dako sa dynamic range kaysa sa PCM bits, no? So, kung gamit tag kuan, ato ni gamiton sa calculations, 2n minus 1 is equal to dr. Anong minus 1 man? Where is the first bit used, or where is one of the possible outcomes used? M man, diba? This is M. So, if M is 2 to the power of N, so this one is one of the possible outputs, meaning, mo ni siya, no? Kaning 0. No? Minus 1. One positive and one negative PCM code is used for 0. No? So 1 bit is used for 0, right? So 2 to the 1 is equal to 2. 2 outcomes. Diba? 1 and 2. So meaning ang kaninga bits reserved na siya for 0. That's why 2 to the power of n minus 1. So lagi account ang 0 sa computation because SOP na siya nga pa para kay 0 gid na siya. Pwede kaya po na ito i-rewrite this one as 2 to the n is equal to dr plus 1. So for a dynamic range of 3, the PCM code with 2 bits is required. 3. Okay, wait lang ha. 3 plus 1, 4, log base 2 of 4, is equal to 2. Okay. So suppose daw we have a system with a dynamic range of 3 unitless value, not 3 dB. So 2 to the n is equal to 3 plus 1, 2 to the n is equal to 4, n is equal to log base 2 of 4, n is equal to 2. So we need 2 bits. 2 bits lang ang pwede for a system that has a 3, no, a dynamic range. Pwede daw ma-approximate ang dynamic range in dB as approximately equal to 6n. No? So kung pila si n times lang nimog 6, mo dapat na ang dynamic range. So it could be summarized using this table. Will this relationship hold true for everything in the table? Sige daw. Try daw ninyo. So what if n is equal to 5, no? For n is equal to 5, this one. So 6 times n, 30. Yeah. Diba? Approximately 30. Talaga nyo, mag-true pa gani siya for n is equal to 16. No? So if atong system or ang atong system or atong scheme, I mean, is n is equal to 16. So 16 times 6, 96. 96.3. Okay. Hold true pagyapon. So we could use this approximation, and this is summarized using this table. Para di na natin to memorize nga formula. Approximately 6n. 4, kuan lang ni siya. For n is greater than 4. It will not work for less than 4. Okay, kung 3, 18.1. Pwede ba dahil 3? No? 3 times 6. Kung 2, okay. Para mag-work mo dahil. So 1. So kung 1, ang PCM, wala akong tayo PCM code nga 1. So kung 2, 12, kung 3, 18, kung 4, 24, so on and so forth. Okay. Sige, let's answer this example. Alam niyo sa book, pero let's try to understand this one here. At least masabot. For PCM system with the following parameters, determine the minimum sample rate, maximum number of bits used in PCM, resolution, and quantization error. So, dali naman ng A, no? Hindi na kailangan i-solve. What is the minimum sampling rate, guys? 8K. 8K. Okay, times 2 lang, di ba? That's the minimum sampling rate. The higher, the better, of course. Okay? So, kung audio fixed na maginadaan ang sampling rate sa audio, it's 44 kilohertz. So, layla kayong 4 hertz. Pwede na siya. We're assuming also nga voice ni siya kay 4 kilohertz man. No? So, 8K is good enough. B, minimum number of bits used in PCM code. Once given the dynamic range in dB, no? DR in dB. 46 dB. So, it's 2 to the n equal to dr plus 1. But this dr is dB, convert na to voltage ratio. 46 over 20 is equal to log dr. Forty-six over 20 is 2.3. So 10 to the power of 2.3. So to 199.5 or approximately 200. Okay? Approximately 200. Substitute tayo na to dito. So, may pagtangtang ani. Log. Okay, log. N is equal to log base 2 of dr is 199.5 or 200 plus 1. N is equal to 7.6. 7.7 more or less. Wala, may decimal value sa n. Integer, maganda siya. So the minimum is 8 bits. Okay. Question so far before we proceed. Okay ra kung giyan sa pagkuhang 8 bits given the dynamic range of 46 dB. Kung nagamit ang table, 46 bits, 46 is here, no? 48 man. In between man siya sa 42, 48. So dito pwede magamit 42. 46 man ang given. So kanya itong gamitan 48, which is 8. Without solving, nakuha na ito ano, sir? Ato lang ipakita ang technical nga kuan, pero I think this table is enough. The higher the better. The higher the better. Kay kuan man to, 46 man to, 46 dB. And iyang actual is 7.7. Pero wala may 7.7 bits. So, gamit ag 8. So, the same here. No? Wala man nag-reflect dito ang 46 dB kay 48 ug 42 raman. So, we'll not use 42, we'll use 48. And ang 48 is nag-translate to 8 bits. Okay? So, without solving, this table is very convenient. Or kung alin to na ito nga table, diba? Times na ito 6. Wali man day given ang kung ano. So, divide og 6 ba? Yeah, divide og 6. No? So, 46 divided by 6 is 7.67. No. Dali na din tatne, no? Another alternative solution is 46 dB divided by 6 is 7.67 or 8 bits. So, yun lang. Tema na ninyo. Basig mo sa board exam, no? At least na shortcut. Okay. The solution. Okay, where will we get the solution? Sa given nga plus minus 2.5. So 2.55. 2.55. Yeah. This is positive 2.55 mo na maximum, no? So kanay fixed ni siya sa system nga gamiton. Sa acquire nga system, maximum niya is 2.55, yung minimum is negative 2.55. So, ang highest ani is, ilan siya ka bits? 8, no? So, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yung 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Una. So, ang 0 volts is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, wala. So, I hope ma-visualize na to. No? So, yung atong given is sine signal. I-convert na niya into PAM. PAM signal. Ano po? Ana pa mo ng PAM. Then each of these, i-quantize, each of regular intervals is convert niya into PCM codes. Na. Something like that. So, resolution. How will we solve for the resolution? Ito yung formula. Madala. No? dr is equal to Vmax over the solution. Ito. $200. Wait. Wait, before tayo proceed. Wait lang ha. Wait lang ha. So, ito nakuha is 8 bits. Okay. Yeah. Ang 8 bits, sakto. Ang 8 bits, magnitude din na siya. So, ang total, so 8 plus 1, which will account for the sign bit. So, 9 na itong gamiton. So, 9. So, instead of a DR of 200, ang atong gamiton supposed to be is 2 to the 9, which is 512. Which is 512 divided by 2. 256. Okay. So supposed to be 256 each for positive and negative. Okay? So, mag-contribute man sila each for the 0. No? So, 256, 255 for positive magnitude, 255 for negative magnitude, of 2 for 0. Right? So, that's 512 tanan. So, let's compute for kung i-compute natin the solution, asa nato na siya makita? Dire. If this is 0 here, the resolution is the distance unincluding ang 0 from the first and the second. No? So in this particular case, it's the distance from, so if 8 kabok ang kuan, dungagan na nag-isa. No? Yan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Magnitude. And 1, 0. Diba? So the distance between the first level and the second level, and including 0, that's the resolution. Yeah. Or the quantum, no? Or whatever. So we should compute for the dynamic range sa isa lang, no? Sa isa lang ka-fold. So we'll use 255. Balik ta ani. Di na ito mabalik ani. Ato na lang ni ikuan. Bilang n sa 255? Yeah, sakto. So 2 to the n sa 255. Again, ang 255 ang gigamit because isa lang ani atong gamiton. Either ang positive or negative. But since pares no sag value, then it's no problem. Isa lang because isa lang sa duha, no? Either 255s lang. Because ang resolution is mag-reflect man either sa positive na fold or negative na fold, no? So that's why 255 lang gamiton. So 255 is equal to, or ang n is equal to log base 2 of 255, 7.99, or approximately 8. Well, obviously, no? So ang dynamic range sa 8 is 48.2. Ito lang, 48.2. Oh, 48 na. Ang ano ako na i-compute gani? Ay, okay. So, di naman i-need. I-compute ang DR, no? Ano naman sa table. Ang question is resolution, to solve for the resolution. Moday, no? Kaya ang formula mo sa resolution is dr is equal to v, moday, pangita ng dr, no? V max over reso. The solution is equal to V max over dr. Ito itong gius na dr, dB, 48. No? So, sa nato iyahang dr in not dB. 10 to the power of 48 over 20. To 51. Exactly kompleto. 48.2. Five seven. Okay. 257. Nala. Okay. Supposedly atong gamit dito is 255 man. Pero para naman gapon 257 atong gamiton. No? If nag-stick ta sa atong i-choose nga dr which is 48.2, even without doing this, no? Even if wala tayong nagbuhat ana, we'll still obtain the same correct answer. No? If nag-use tag 257. Ako lang nang-illustrate because mo magiging actual na to gamiton, no? 255. Mo dapat ni ang atong igibutang dito. 255. That's supposed to be 256 minus 1. So, para naman gapon if nagamit to, if atong directly use ang dr nga 48.2. Ako magyapon tag 0.01 volts. No? So that's the solution. Meaning, dire, so if ang resolution is 0.01, dili ta magsugod sa 0.01. Then ang next is 0.02. Iling anak, kaya mag-account punta for 0. Magsugod ta og ato divide sa una ang 0.01 divided by 2. That's 0.005. So negative 0.005 o positive 0.005. Okay, any pam signal nga mag-fall within anak nga level will be translated as 0. Meaning, ang atong range, no? Sa atong, sabihin, pinakauna nga kuan. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. No? So, for this PCM code, any PAM level nga mo fall between positive 0.005 og positive 0.015. Okay? Because in this case, ang atong resolution is 0.01. Kuha ninyo? Any questions so far? I-subtract. I-subtract ang before na ko ni na come up nga mga numbers. Ato sa gi-solve ang resolution. Okay? Again, ang resolution is just another term for quantum interval or minimum step size or voltage of the least significant bit. Okay? So we obtained that to be 0.01. So dili siya dili siya ing ani, no? It's not even tungod kay 0.01 ang resolution. 0.01 ang resolution ha. Dili siya 0, then 0.01, then 0.02, then 0.03, so on and so forth. Dili nga na. Okay? Okay, again, i-account mo na to ang 0. So, ang resolution sa 0 is still 0.01. So, dapat diri alone, diri daan, na ay resolution nga 0.01. So, atay ta magsugod. Dili ta sa 0 magsugod, but magsugod ta sa resolution divided by 2. No, which is 0.005. So, dito magsugod. 0.005. Positive. Para anything in between positive 0.005 or negative 0.005 will be translated as 0. Meaning, ang next is i-plus lang nato ni, no? I-plus lang nato og resolution. Which will be 0.015. Para ma-maintain ang difference between two levels is the resolution or 0.01. So the same na magyapon to, ako pa-explain saan sa ina-adere. Diba? So if kaning positive 0.015, ang PCM code niya ana kay pila man ni 8-bit ni, no? 9 bits including ang sign. So mo ni ang sign bit, mo ni ang magnitude, no? So we will expect na ang 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 will be positive 2.55 volts, which is this one. Kung gusto niyo subayon, masubay na siya. And the same gapon sa silong. Meaning ang negative 0.015 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then, meaning, ang negative 2.55 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ang kuha? So important nga makabaluta asa ang unsa ang resolution para we'll know where we'll start. So that's this one, resolution. So ang quantization error is easily solved. The maximum quantization error is just the resolution divided by 2. So 0.005 volts. And nasa na siya ma-observe ang 0.05? Let's say for example, no? Ang PAM na to nga level gikan sa sample and hold circuit kay 0.017 nga na volts. Yun sa mga pag-convert nga wala man tayo 0.017. After sa 0.015, it is 0.125, 0.0251. So it will be converted sa kaninga whatever voltage level ang gi-assign, no? Whatever PCM ang gi-assign in between ani. So ang quantization error ani is 0.017 minus 0.015. May minus. Mani siya, i-minus. So i-minus lang nato ang given na PAM level ug ang ang value, no? Sa range. So dire mas duol man siya sa 0.15. So dito na to siya minus. So 0.017 minus 0.015 is 0.002. So the quantization error is 0.002. And gamay na siya. Meaning ang maximum nga quantization error is this one, no? 0.005. Okay, let's say for example ang atong PAM level nga given is 0.020. Mana siya. Muna nga PAM level ang makahatag sa atong maximum nga quantization error because it is in between 0.025 and 0.015. So 0.02 minus 0.015 or 0.025 minus 0.02 is 0.005. Which is the maximum quantization error. The maximum quantization error will only be obtained if ang atong PAM na level is nagi sa tunga-tunga sa range, no? So balik sa akong previous nga kuan kani kay 8-bit man nga code para to simplify things further dito sa 3 bits, no? Tara. So if atong nakuha nga voltage nga PAM level is 1.0. So in between man siya ani 1.5 ug 2.5. So whether 2.5 minus 1 or 1 minus 1.5 bali. Okay, sakto ba ni? Sayop dili 1.0. Nga example 2.0 dapat siya. So whether it's 2.5 minus 2 or 2 minus 1.5 will obtain a value of 0.5, which is the quantization error for this example. Okay. All right. Questions so far? Bottom line, the dynamic range will be a metric, no? Metric for us to determine what type of PCM scheme we'll be using or pila ang output bits for our PCM scheme. Kung 3 bits na ba siya or 4 or 5 or whichever. So, to simplify things further, it's very convenient to use this table ang gid. No? Nagamit mo computation sa first two na example, first two na calculations. Pero, diba? No? So, vice versa, gyapon na yun. Okay? If given ang atong number of bits, expected na mo na iyang dynamic range. If mo na yung dynamic range, mo dapat ni ang number of bits for it, no? Suitable for it. Okay? Questions? Up to na so far? Okay. Anong 2 to the 9? Sa to, wait ha. Wait. Kani. Atong na-solve nga kuan ganina, dynamic range, 4.6 it is suitable for an 8-bit na system, no? 8 bits. So kanang 8 bits, magnitude na siya. Okay, magnitude lang. So kung apilo na tong sign, mag-apil magitag sign kay na may positive o negative, so plusan lang na siya guan. Diba? So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2 to 9 is 512. Okay. Always plus 1 kung ato nang i-determine kung pila na gid ka kung apil siya plus gid nato guan kung apil na gid kung i-consider na gid nato na apil na ang sign. So dire, tungod kay gi-plusan na to guan, it's now n is equal to 8 plus 1 which is 9. So 2 to the 9 is supposed to be 512. So si 512, wala na to gi-divide evenly o 256 and 256. But it's 255 and 255 kay ilahang gi sort of donate ang ilang other nga one outcome, each of their one possible outcomes to 0. So si 0 na ay 2 possible outcomes. And we have known that man. Okay. Observe na siya nato sa visual. Or even sa table. Common lang siguro no sa communication systems na magamit og sign magnitude na scheme. But actually there are other schemes man aside sa sign magnitude. Sa logic circuits mas common ang 2's complement na scheme kaysa sign magnitude. Kay kani it's just a matter of assigning man. O kani side note lang ni siya piligi sa main nato ako ano. But here sa comms, it's just a matter of assigning which PCM code to a voltage level, no? And vice versa lang man, di na mag-matter. So logic circuits, dili lang biya tungod kay di lang biya ta mag-assign lang o kuan o codes to a voltage level. But ato biyang i-process ang mga codes, no? Like simple processes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, so on and so forth. And mas convenient ang 2's complement na scheme, no? Just remember this one, no? Kasi yun yung dumatan na akong giingon just now, no? 2's complement, no? Just remember this one because this might come up soon. sooner or later sa logic na to. Complement. No? So, 2's complement is another scheme as compared to sign magnitude scheme, which is prevalent sa comms na systems. Just like here. No? Sign magnitude man siya. Sign magnitude. Kani siya, no? This is a perfect example for a sign magnitude na system. 2's complement is something else, no? Cover natin this is logic, pohon-pohon. Okay. Basta kaya, ang dynamic range is, again, in summary, a parameter used to determine if unsa ka somehow powerful, no, ang system. So, the higher the dynamic range, the better. And the higher the dynamic range, the larger the amount of bits required. And it is illustrated using this table. Okay. So just review these things that we have discussed today. Pwede na yun ma-review sa YouTube. Okay. Any more questions? If there are none, welcome back to Communications 8.
Yay.
Yay!
Yes, sir. Welcome back, my brother.
Tomorrow, welcome back na po to Indas of Logic.
Yes, sir. Good to
Yes,
be
awan.
back. Oh, char.
Good to be back. Ano sa bato?
Good to be
Ako sa good to be back Nilbe.
Ay, kama. Shy ko. Ah?
So, sabutin mo dyan nga under the water.
Ariel daw siya, sir.
Ariel. Kuan pa siguro, bakasyon pa sila nilang Jenny.
Na daw sila sa Ultra Wind, sir. Sana all.
Yahay. Diba? Gapaminaw klase pero nasa sa pool. Tay. Sige. Balay. So, if there are no more questions, we'll see each other again tomorrow, 1:30. Ay, to, before later mo ko ano, kasi si Clark man to, no? Nagkuhan to ni Agi, kato nag-Comelec. Nakamala ka, Clark, ato? Ikaw ba to? Wala ka na dayon? Kasi naka-ato dito sa SM Paris, lo. Tapos pagyapong pila.
Kuan sa kuan sir, nakaadto ko atong voters national ID sir. Unya
Lahi man to. Lahi man tong national ID.
ay sa register sir. Kanang pa-vote.
Ang pa-vote. Comelec.
Taas gyapon sir pero dili nakit kay kataas.
Di
Murag-
nakit kay kataas.
Kuan lang gawas SM kataas. Ana na lang siya.
One, sir. Mubo naman siya, sir. Nagpabakuna ko last week. Gamay-gamay raman.
Ang bakuna. Ang
Ay,
bakuna
ang kuan, sir. Nakita man po na ko ang
Kaya pa nimo.
Di na kay siya na nakataas.
Dili
pa
nag-jacket
yung
kay
pauna.
pero taas gyapon.
Dili
sir.
daw cat kay sir, pero
Yes.
USTP lang.
Mga
Let's go.
kuan sir.
Yapon sir. Okay.
Let's go.
Sa una whole day to siya sir, maglinya ka karon half day na lang.
Yes, someday na.
Instead of 10 hours, kuha na lang sir mga
5 hours.
4. Mga 4 to 5. Dili na nga naka-task in sir kay.
Nakatry day ka, Mick.
Ako ang kaila sir, sayo siya sa buntag na human din siya kay early sa afternoon.
Wala ka diya.
Uy, kayo.
Taas gyapon. Sige. Kaya gating lagi ko nga magpa-reactivate ko kuan. Dugay mo ko ka vote good no. Di na ko ka vote again kung di ko mo pa-reactivate.
Good luck sir.
Sige. Lagi. Pero gating pa ko. Sige. Wala to. If any questions, we'll see each other again tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thanks sir.
Bye-bye.
Wapo ka, Jopre, eh. Char.
Sir.
Manil. Bye sir.
Bye.